Try this example 2 from 7.3 using law of cosines. So this time they want me to solve the whole triangle, find all the missing pieces, and they've given me angle A, side B, and side C. So I need to find all the missing pieces. So in this case, I'm going to determine which angle I have, and that is going to help me decide which one of the formulas I'm going to use. So since I have angle A, that means I'm going to use the formula that has angle A in it. So I'm going to use A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine of angle A, because I have angle A. So that's the formula that I'm choosing to use. And I will find side A first, and then we can go find the rest of the missing pieces. All right, so A squared is 12.9 squared plus 15.4 squared minus 2 times 12.9 times 15.4 cosine of 42.3 degrees. And again, I can just plug all of that directly into my calculator. So that's what I'm going to do. Just let me make myself small again so I can see all of it at once. Okay. So there's my square root symbol, and then I'm going to just plug all of it in. 12.9 squared plus 15.4 squared minus 2 times 12.9 times 15.4 cosine 42.3, and I get 10.47 is, and these were all just one decimal place, so I'm just going to do 10.5. So my side A is 10.5. All right, so now I have side A, side B, side C, and now I have an angle and a side that match up. So now I can use law of sines, because I have sine A, and I could do sine B of B and find B. So that's what I'm going to do. Use law of sines now. Now you can continue to use law of cosines if you prefer it, and if you like to. I just like law of sines. I think it's easy. So I'm going to do sine 42.3 over 10.5 equals sine B of 12.9. And then remember, with law of sines, we cross multiply. I'm going to do all the algebra first, and then I'll plug it in the calculator. So I end up with 12.9 sine 42.3. That would equal 10.5 sine B. So I can just do the divided by 10.5 part, sine B, which means I'm going to have to arc sine on both sides. So arc sine all of this, and that's going to give me angle B. So that's what I'm going to plug in the calculator.
Keats, your informational review for ELA, you got 100.
So arc sine so 12 point, I don't know why I put 12.19, that's 12.9. I'll correct that in just a minute. 42.3 over 10.5. Oh. All right, so I get 55.8 is angle B. So angle B equals 55.8. This was just 12.9. And now it means the only piece I'm missing is angle C. Well, the easiest thing of all to do for that is just do 180 minus the angles that I have. So I have 180 minus the angle they gave me, 42.3, minus the angle I found, 55.8. And that gives me angle C, which is 81.9. So I found angle C, angle B, and side A.